Look what we're looking at right now as we look downtown off the southern end of Manhattan. You could see the overcast sky every once in a while. There's some breaks at 77. Severe storms, not now. Later today, very high levels of humidity. That's the biggest problem for today in terms of how you feel. You will have to make sure that you have a place to run to very, very quickly when those severe storms start popping later this afternoon. But then the payback or the payoff is much nicer weather for Monday into Tuesday. It's already close to 80 degrees in parts of the Hudson Valley and on up Route 7 in Connecticut from Norwalk to Newtown. It's in the mid-70s. It's in the mid-70s right along the Sound Shore areas of Westchester County. 77 in the city. Along Spring Lake at 75, mid-70s on the island. And there are showers and thunderstorms from last night, and they actually flared up again, but they're already long gone from the city area. This is what's offshore of eastern sections of Long Island. Look what's going on down here in the southern sections of New Jersey. I'll zoom into that because it is affecting the lower portions of Ocean County now, but more so Atlantic County on down to Cape May. Lightning striking at about 20-25 strikes per minute in this area. So that is a pretty hefty storm there, and we may get into that kind of stuff later today ourselves. So that's for late this afternoon. Strong to severe storms, downpours, wind, hail, and yes, we are talking about the isolated tornado that could pop up or spin up out of one of those thunderstorms. This is a level 2 out of 5 for the possibility of the severe storms, and you can see our entire viewing area is in it, and there it is. It's not 0, so we better mention it. It's a 2% chance. Obviously, that's minimal. But any thunderstorm has the potential this afternoon to spin something up during the course of the late afternoon or evening hours. I'm sure at the very least, a severe thunderstorm watch will be put into effect. So there that goes for this morning. These start flaring up north and west of the city during the mid and latter part of the afternoon. This is around 2, 3, 4 o'clock or so. And most of the march, most of the parade, everything, all the activities around here should start to taper down by about 2 o'clock as the showers and thunderstorms are flaring up. So that's why I'm saying make sure you have a place to run to if you're still out there. Even more showers and thunderstorms for the evening hours, especially to the east and southeast of the city. But after that, look how nice this turns out. Monday into Tuesday, it's mostly sunny, warm and dry. In the meantime, though, there will definitely be some pretty heavy rainfall if you are under those thunderstorms. And while we're at it, might as well, Hurricane Beryl now up to a Category 3. Just like that, will be traversing very, very warm water. Could actually get to a Category 4 at one point and make its way over to the Gulf. We'll be talking about that. The First Alert Weather Team will be on that through the course of the upcoming week. So here for the March, temperatures today 85 to 90 degrees. Our heat index is right down here through the central and southern sections of New Jersey. It will feel like it's over 100. So for today, 85 to 90 degrees out there for the afternoon. Showers, thunderstorms, they could be strong. They'll come to an end late tonight. And here is your 7-day temperatures between 80 and 85 for Monday and Tuesday. The 4th looks hot and humid with a storm.
So it's hot out, but get ready for rain.
Yes, later today, definitely.
But then we have Monday and Tuesday, so got a silver lining.
And enjoy it somewhere in there. Yeah, you bet. Okay.
Thank you, Craig.
Okay.